Hey, let's have a look at this Electrolyte Drink Mix. It comes with 30 packets in the flavors of 6 strawberry, 6 watermelon, lemonade, grape, and orange. The packaging is all green material, so that way it's good for the environment and it's good for your body. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So while I'm opening the packaging, I'm going to go ahead and mention that it has 0 sugar, 0 calories, and 0 carbs. So this doesn't add any extra calories to your diet, and it quickly hydrates you. All you need to do is add 1 stick of the flavor of your choice to a bottle of water. It recommends a bottle of water from 10 to 16 ounces. So I'm going to put it in this 9-ounce bottle and see. Now let's see what I think I'm in the mood for. A strawberry drink. You can use these to hydrate really quick. So a lot of times you can be dehydrated and not realize it. These are good to drink to keep your mind fresh. And well, I think I might need a pack of, oh, there we go. I thought I needed scissors for it. It's a little tough to open, but not bad. These little packets can fit right in your purse or in your backpack to take with you to do a workout, or they would be good for after a night out on the town and you need some extra go in the morning. So I'm going to give it shaken up. Oh, cool. It's still clear, so it looks like I'm just drinking water. Nobody will ever know that I'm extra hydrated. Okay, here's the final test. That actually tastes really good. I can't wait to try the other flavors. Definitely going to keep some in my purse for hot days, maybe working out in the yard if I decide to work out one day. The kids can use it after sporting events or during to keep them hydrated as well. Being hydrated is very important for your body and your mind.